recently newer functions that have been that are uh, introduced in Excel called related to text function. So we have text after. So we can use text after which text. I want to calculate. I want to extract the last name. So what is the delimiter? Delimiter is my comma, and I double quote to close it, and close the parentheses, and I'll get Mukul. Now you'll see I'll also get a space because space is also delimiter. So I put a space here as well. I won't get a space out there. So this is text after. And then we also have text before. Same general idea, equal text before, which text, this text, comma, which delimiter, this delimiter, and close the parentheses, press enter, we get a answer text before. Then we have a text split. Here we go. It will split the first name and last name together, or any text. Text, and we heard text split, which text, this text. What is the delimiter? Delimiter would remain the same, and close the parentheses and press enter. We get first and last name together in the form of an array. And here we go. So a lot of different variety of functions in the text function, text split, text join, text after, text before. Relatively, all are very easy to use based on one single fundamental. The parameters for all these functions remain the same. So if you know one, you know all the family functions. So I call them as a family function because they are like cousins of one or another function. So same parameters, but different outcomes. So very powerful function can work in different ways on different occasions at different times. So you need to decide which one to use. You can use text to column, you can use flash fill, you have for function, you can use mid function. So many choices you have. Which one you want to use, all up to you. Is it something that, okay, this is right, this is wrong? No, everything is right. You can use either one of it. As long as you're getting an answer, nobody can put a question mark on that one. Everything is perfectly fine.